Friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be taking few activities on the topic months of the year. It's a very common and important topic which is covered in all the schools in pre-primary classes. I will be covering various activities on this topic based on logical, mental, sequencing, writing and listening skills. Why I'm giving so much importance to this topic is because this topic is also part of curriculum in grade 2 and 3, where activities like calculating number of days between 2 months have to be done. So this concept should be done thoroughly and we can't ignore it. Let's move to the activities. My first activity is sequencing the months of the year. What I have done is I have written all the names of the months in a jumbled manner, and what kids have to do, they have to write the number like January 1, February 2, March 3, April 4, May 5 and so on. It's a logical activity and I'm sure it will strengthen the concept of months of the year. Again, activity 2 is also a mental activity in which again names of the months have been written and I have drawn 12 circles in front of each month. So what kids have to do is that if it's May, so they will be coloring the 5th circle. April, they will be coloring the 4th circle. August, they will be coloring the 8th circle. If they know that August is the 8th month, it's well and good. But if they don't know, they can do like this: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. 8th, February, January, February. June, January, February, March, April, May, June. This is how they can do it. Now let's move to next activity. It's a listening activity. And in this also I have written names of the various months and I have encircled them. What we have to do is that we have to read some statements and children have to follow them. Like we will be saying that please color the month in which Christmas falls or the month in which Santa comes as red. So they will be coloring December as red. Please color the month in which your birthday is there as blue. So they will be coloring that month as blue. Please color the first month of the year as green, the current month, the month which is going on like May, as yellow, the next month as purple. So it's a nice listening skill activity. Now next activity is based on writing skills. In this activity again different months name have been written and what kids have to do, they have to write the previous month or the last month and the next month. Like November, they will be writing October and December. July, August, September, January, February, March. Next, again activity 5, it's again a brain teasing activity in which I have written the names of all the months and along with it I have written many letters again and they have to find the hidden names like January, December, May, July. I'm sure children will take interest in it. Now next activity number 6 is that I have again written the names of the month, but this time I haven't written 12 names, I have written 11 names and I have missed out one of the month and children have to find out which month I have missed out and they have to write. Now the next activity, activity 7 is, it is the recapitulation of all the activities and in which kids have to write the first month of the year, last month of the year, month after June. Like this you can give them various questions. I'm sure by this time children will be thorough with the concept and they would be able to write these answers. Friends, hope you like these activities and I'm sure you are going to practice them with your kids to strengthen their concepts. I will be back with more such activities on my channel. Please do subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.